In this lesson, we want to explain perspective effect. To do this, click on Effects. Here is a list of effects. We have two general modes for all these effects. The effects are here for when the photo was captured or imported in the software, then apply, and can be controlled at any time. But the same effects are exactly in the main software in the effects section. The only difference is when they are applied. These effects must be set before and applied during the capture. But you can still change them. To get started, let's start with the main effect. Select the photo that already have been imported and click on the perspective effect to execute it. As we can see in its settings, you can simulate 3D display mode by changing the horizontal and vertical values. There are also two other effects, border and shadow, that have been explained many times in previous lessons. You can change the border, color, size, and you can control the shadow. It's not 3D shadow, it's just a shadow at the border of the photo. Okay. If you want to apply this effect, click on apply. And if you want to use this effect many times, add it to a list of the quick effects. And I recommend it to use the second way. I mean, capture an image and apply the effect after capturing. Hello my friends, to continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.